Hey everybody, Bill here on the west side of St. Anthony of Padua in our new wing that is currently under construction. Wow, lots of stuff has happened up here over the course of the last week. I started filming last Monday and got busy with a couple other projects that came up. Didn't get time to edit the video. I came back to do Mass on Wednesday and it was like, well, there's no point in doing a video now because the entire other side of the building, the flooring's done, the ceiling is done. I mean, it's really getting close. So we're less than a month away now from when we should be done. Of course, with any construction project, you never know. So I'm gonna take you on another tour. Again, I think there's probably gonna be a little bit less narration now because things are kind of really coming into shape here. So you don't necessarily need me to say this is explain things. So let's go, thank you. So this hallway basically is the old garden, rock garden area that went out to the priest parking. This is the new faith formation office. Look at that nice brown accent wall. You're going to see some holes in the wall. That is for future use with TV monitors and computer displays. And then there's other holes in the wall that's for the fire alarms. This is the new youth room. I think the young adults will be using this room as well. And again, there's those holes. Those are intentional. That way the wires for TVs and things aren't hanging all over the place. And we already have HVAC. Here's the thermostat. I grabbed this footage last Sunday before the 4 o'clock Mass. And ceiling tiles. Lots and lots of ceiling tiles. It probably would be a good math problem for a kid trying to figure out how many ceiling tiles were needed. And let's walk down the hallway. This hallway traverses from the back all the way through to the office at the other end. All these rooms are the same, so I'm not going to take you into each and every other room. Gives you a general idea. And I just had to do it. I know I've seen kids looking through and other people peering through. I had to do it myself with the GoPro. And then these 3 rooms here are made into one big room, and they hug the present church building. So this will be used for overflow. You can see how where that Bentar trash bin is, that is going to be where a folding wall goes. And looking up, we have speakers, multiple speakers in every room, so hopefully everybody will have no problem hearing, especially when we have overflow at Christmas and Easter Sunday. Look at this, putting up the ceiling tiles on those stilts, pretty cool. This is the new bathroom that's going to be right next to the banquet. That's the men's room. Let's go into the ladies' room. This is right after they put down the tile, and it's looking pretty nice. And let's go into the banquet hall. Again, you can see the speakers in the ceiling there. Steve Borzagi and Neil, the contractor, have been really instrumental in making sure we have sound and AV needs in all of our rooms, as well as the security cameras. Every room will be on camera, multiple angles for the safety and security of everybody at the parish. See where there's going to be a future garden. And then out in this whole area here, that will one day be the actual church building. What we're actually in right now is the parish hall. I grabbed this footage last Sunday, and there's already been changes. I'm editing this video on a Friday afternoon. Just was a really busy week with the consecration and everything kicking off yesterday. Look at these beautiful views. Flooring's down. Obviously, he's going to get cleaned and polished, but looking pretty good. This closet behind me is where tables will be stored. We have linens, chairs. Of course, we got to go and peek into the room. That flooring in there is stunk, but it's up to code. It's perfect for kitchens. And there you go. The kitchen equipment arrived this week, which was part of the reason why I held out on editing this video. And that's a view from this side. And now let's go look at some of this equipment. We got an ice maker, we got coolers, we got freezers, we got griddles. And what Catholic church would be complete without the deep fryer for those Lenten fish fries? At first I thought the subway tile was going to be white. It's actually a cream color. Put in the comments if you know what this is. If you know what that is, put it in the comments. Going into the old back meeting room. This is the new AV communications, IT, two-way radio room. A lot of above the ceiling work being done in here. And that just about rounds out this update. I'm sure the next update, a lot more stuff will be done. Let's continue to pray for one another. Let's continue to pray for the men and women working on this project. There's a lot of people working behind the scenes to make sure that we have a building. And thank you for watching.